Hi friends, I'm Observe from the Mop Collection, and after a long time I'm posting a new video for you. And this video is for your useful things. You people have so much problem to how to edit the video. As you can see in the screen, you can see that there is a new type of a video and it is a professional way. And in this website you can able to see in the professional way of the YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, and professional way of video editing. So in this software you can use multiple tasks, layouts, and this particular screen editing and video audio. As you can, I will going to show you the demo how to use in the professional way. So if you want to purchase this subscription in this website, just please see, as you can see in the display, you can see this is the promo code. You can get a discount in that. And if you want to go to the link is in the description below, and you can go and get the subscription and enjoy for 1 year subscription. You can do the multiple video editing, and there is so many libraries are there in this. You can edit it in the professional way. So please, let's move to my PC and let's watch. So as you can see, this is a website which I presently opened. In this video you can able to in this website you can able to do the multiple type of videos, like promotion of videos, and for the intros of the videos for Instagram and Facebook and TikTok. You can make a plenty of videos, and it is very easy, and it's very it is very easy to customize the videos and everything. As you can see, this is the this link you can find in the description. So this website name is InVideo.io. As you can see, if you want to go, just please register. Right now I have been registered in this, and you can able to register, and it has very good offers. Present is running on, as you can find in the screen now. Presently I'm showing my promo code, so you can use this promo code and you can get a 50% discount, as it is a very useful website, and it's so much easy to customize the videos and useful things. So let's show you some the video usage and the features of this, and you can do so many things, and it is so much helpful for me to make the videos and editing anything like that. And so there is some models are there in when you open the website. As you can show in the display, there is a pre-model template and article to video template and the blank template. So as you can see in the blank template, the square shape and vertical and white you can see, and the article videos you can see the Facebook video, YouTube video landscape, Instagram stories and Instagram posts, and Facebook tweets, and there is a LinkedIn is a tweet is there, IGTV is there, Twitter is there, Facebook ads is there, and YouTube story, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. There's so many kind of a video. As you can see, you can the Instagram video you can post in the TikTok too, and it's very easy to customize. And there is a pre-mode templates are there. As you can see, there is the same options are here, but there is a quite difference are the pre-mode. You can able to edit in that. So let's see if I want to make something different as you requested. And there is a categories also is a in this category you can see so many much under coronavirus, coupons, events, and video ads, bumper ads, slider ads, cliff ad, posters. So mostly what happened for the YouTube, I just show for the simple ways of videos for the YouTube. So we will take for YouTube, and I will make the different videos for the each sliders of the YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, feeds and all. So let's make a Facebook stories today. So this is the today I will show you that how to make YouTube video stories. So I just click the YouTube, and you can see there is a stories of YouTube. Some templates you can see there is so many are there here. So let me see here which one I want to take. Something useful like take okay, let's make some interesting logo. So mostly everybody think how the people make the logos for an intro in YouTube. So most of people do so many things. They'll go to Adobe Prime and Adobe software, so many video editing softwares, but in this case you no need to go to any place anywhere. So for the template I will take this logo. Just I will click here on this. As you can see, there is a preview. There is a simple way. So if See, again I want to play for you. Just play. See, it is smooth and clean and easy to take. If you want to make it in wide angle, so it will be, you can see it is playing in the wide angle. Simple and cool. You can add these videos in your intro and the square shape. Simple. So mostly in the YouTube we will see in the wide angle, so I use in the wide angle. So here given the option of use this template, so when I click on this, it's taking some time to load the entire template for you. It is easy to customize. So first logo, I don't want to change my logo. Here is the animation, buffering, the branding, customize. So first we will do what we will do. We will change our Facebook IO. Just I will take Facebook. Just I will click mop as my website, mop.com. So, and then Twitter, mop.com, and for Instagram to say I will keep for your example mop.com, as this is just for a temporary test name I have been taken for you. And the logo, so yeah, here is the logo. So for the logo I will import the logo for you. So for the logo, just let download one logo for you for the test purpose. Logo PNG file. I will take some, which logo I will take. Let's take this eagle. It's really looking so amazing. Let's save this image. Sorry, it's showing in the PNG. I need a PNG. As you guys know why I'm taking in the PNG, because PNG it can erase the backgrounds of yours, so it's look quite clarity to that. I will save on my desktop. Okay, then we will go again here. We will upload desktop of mine, eagle video. So what, see, here is a preview, then I will drag and drop here in the videos. So let's see how it's look. Wow, it looks so amazing. It's hardly took me it's like 1 minute, with an average of 1 minute it took me to edit this video. It looks so awesome. See, I will preview again. Simple work, no need to work much long for you, and it looks so amazing. If you want to add more things, you can able to add in this. Just we will add here as a text. I will add text here. I will write, click on the double click, test logo. Let's reduce little bit size. Okay, then I will take here test loop. I will slide here down. You can see on the logo. Let's see how it's going to work. Wow, it's amazing. You can see, but there is a slightly problem when you're trying to do this. Is a slightly problem. See, when I'm playing, see, before the logo the text is coming, so you need to edit that. So what I will do, here you can see the option of edit the screen. So what I will do, just I will click here, edit the screen. Edit the screen. It's look awesome. So if you want to change, you can change the customize the color, branding, logo. You can change all the customized things, layer and edit. So you can show here completely animation or all those kind of stuffs. So let's see, we will export this video and see how it is look. So here is the option of a preview and export. Let's preview here. Wow, it's look awesome. So here is the expert with the watermark and expert without a watermark. So if you are taking the purchase of subscription, if you take in the subscription, so you won't get any watermark. But if you doesn't take in any subscription, so you just want to be have a video with a watermark, you can use that, or without watermark you can able to use. So let's say I'm exporting without a watermark. See, there is options for you. Here it is showing you the options. So they invite your friends, or provide the project with a recommendation, and upgrade your business. The $10 per a month, and the $20 is per month. So you have options here, so you can grow it. And if I click on the upgrade, you can see the options of here. It is a yearly wise are there. You can take for a month, and it will be, if it take too much cost for you, if you go for a monthly wise, better I prefer for you take it for a year. And you can use my promo code, and you will get a good discount on that. As I will in the description you can find my promo code, and apart from the link, so you can see on the display also my promo code. As you can place that, and you can able to get this website, and it will work very good. So presently what I will do, I will go with my normal with a watermark. So let's check out with a watermark. Let's I clicking here. So video has been converting. So just wait a little bit seconds. So my video has been, yeah, you can see here also the coupon they have given me. Coupon 40, coupon for 40% off. Wow, it's awesome. If you're getting a 40% off, it's awesome for you. Just sales are ending in the 35 seconds, so just be hurry my dear friends, so you can get good offer. As you can see, your page has been getting output, so it will be going to be output, and you can use that for your YouTube channels, or Facebook, or Twitter, Instagram, or you can use for the TikTok too. If you want to impress your friend with the different kind of mode, so you can able to use. It's completely very useful for you to completely, and you can able to edit. So just use my dear friends, so it will be very useful for me. So I'm going to preview you after converting this video. As you can see, you can able to use this video anywhere and any place, and it's completely worth of your money, to be honest. When I use this website, I feel very comfortable with it, and it is very easy to use. So I refer you friends, please use this software and make your website more websites, and the YouTube channel and TikTok and Instagram, make it more crazy and make it more follow for you, and it will look little bit kind of a professional. So in the beginning I will show this video. In the beginning in the slider you can see this video. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and keep be posted in our channels. Thank you.